Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Cubo King Kong X, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all you have to do is to open the recents. If you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and if you've got 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. If you want, we can close them one by one just by swiping them, or you can simply tap on clear all to close all of previously opened apps. Just tap on it, and as you can see, we just got back to the home page. We've got this information, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.